I'm Miss Elisa.
Hi, I'm Elizabeth.
I'm Emma.
And I'm Shannon. And we are all from St. Mary's County Library. Today we're going to do a bake-along. We hope you guys can bake along with us. The recipe we're doing today is zucchini bread, and it's from Sally's Baking
Addiction.
Sally's Baking Addiction. It's a cool website with a whole lot of fun recipes, so check it out and hopefully you can bake along with us.
So, did everybody preheat their ovens?
No, not at all. What are we
Preheat your oven to 350.
All right.
I'm making the muffins. Are you guys all doing the bread?
I'm doing the bread, but I thought about the muffins.
Yeah, so I'm doing the muffins. So if you're doing the muffins, there's special instructions, and you have to start your oven at 425 if you're doing the muffins.
Just saying, did we all grease our pans too?
I did
Or
not.
did you use liners, Elizabeth? You can use liners if you want.
Well, I feel like they stick anyway. Like I have to spray when I use a liner anyway, so I just don't use them. And I like this Wilton's Bake spray. It's got flour in it, so I like that when I bake.
So I've not set up anything. I have a bowl out and I have a pan. So
Need 2 bowls. You want a large bowl and a medium bowl. Have you guys made zucchini bread before? Because I never have.
No. I had to put a message out. I was like, what do I do with the zucchini?
Yeah. I was glad you asked
I
it.
didn't know. Told me.
It says to
Also-
shred it and flaunt it.
It's right, but I was like, I don't know. And well, like, there's so many ways to shred something. So I was like, well, I assume I shred it, but like, I don't know.
So I love zucchini bread, and it's like the one thing that I bake. I always have to follow a recipe.
All right, so we want our big bowl.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
And you want your flour, 1.5 cups of flour.
Mm-hmm. Mine's in the bowl already.
Okay, all right. I was glad you did, Elizabeth. And then we want a 1/2 teaspoon each of baking powder, baking soda, and salt.
I feel like we should be performing or something, Emma.
I
Like,
don't know. You're right, I know, like you and me, we'll just do it.
just do little dance numbers in between.
Yeah, for those of you who don't know our faces, we're usually doing story time.
Yeah.
So
If we seem especially childlike, at some purpose.
okay. I have all the fluffy stuff in the bowl.
All right, well now we need 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. All right, and then 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg.
Smell it. It smells so good.
It smells like Thanksgiving to me.
I know, I love it.
Okay, that's
Is
good.
anybody else adding the chocolate chips? Because I know she says they're optional, but I don't think chocolate is ever optional.
I didn't. I don't like, this is crazy, but I don't like chocolate chips and everything.
Okay. I'm adding them, so I guess if we're adding chocolate, you do that now too. Just said you could add walnuts or raisins, which I was a little put off by, but some people like raisins, and that's okay. If you like raisins, put raisins in.
I love raisins.
Okay. Ignore that I
I
was
put in my
presently
zucchini.
taking my whiskey.
I don't really like raisins. I don't have very many chocolate chips, but
Just dump them all in there, Shannon. Just love them.
I've never put chocolate chips in zucchini bread before, but I love chocolate chips. So
Okay.
go for it.
Now we whisk it, apparently, so it's gonna get loud.
When I make mostly muffins, but any kind of bread, I always make a well in the center of my dry ingredients, and then the wet ingredients will go in the center, and then you just like gently stir it in. So
Now we want our medium bowl. We want 1/2 cup of oil.
putting in my brown sugar first, because I've only got 1/2 cup measure.
Okay.
So before I put my wet ingredients in it,
That makes sense. Yeah, so then we want
my
to
brown
do
sugar, I'm jumping.
1/2 cup brown sugar and 1/2 cup of white sugar.
Wait, white sugar where?
But 1/2 cup of brown sugar and 1/2 cup of white sugar.
Oh, I forgot to do the white. Shoot, darn.
Yeah.
I took my egg out and let it sit at room temperature. Did anybody else let their egg sit at room temperature?
I did.
Yeah.
Go get an egg.
We're also the only 2 wearing aprons.
Well, I'm a messy baker cook, are you? I'm super messy.
Yeah.
That's why I did the flour first, because there was flour everywhere. It's such a mess.
I've got fresh eggs that still has a feather on it.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, yay, I love those.
And then 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Oh, and then we have the zucchini.
Oh, so I have
Where's
sugars inside of my bowl. Do I mix them?
You want to add your sugars to your oil, and then you're also adding the egg, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, and your shredded zucchini.
Okay. Time to shred zucchini.
Yeah, I'm thinking about putting walnuts in mine. I love walnuts.
Oh, you should. That's what I always usually do is put some walnuts.
Should. I'm gonna do that.
I'm making a huge mess. You guys can't see it, but everything is just covered in stuff.
Little
That's
green.
fun. That's how I cook.
Okay, I'm covered in stuff. All right.
All right, and then we're gonna make a well, like Elizabeth suggested.
Oh, my well fell. Tried.
And add your wet ingredients to your dry ingredients.
Yep.
I live and die by my spatula because it gets everything out of the bowl.
Do you use your whisk when you're mixing your ingredients?
Yeah, she says to whisk it together, but not overmix.
It's okay to have lumps.
Yep.
Especially if you got those good walnuts in there.
All right.
Mm.
And you add it to your prepared pan.
This looks like too much.
We'll find out.
Oh, yeah. Well,
I'm looking at it going, really hope it rises a lot, because otherwise we've got a problem. And they go into our preheated ovens.
Oven.
yes, oven is preheated.
Yay! It says it bakes for 45 to 55 minutes. I'm setting mine for 30 minutes to like reevaluate.
Okay, so
So
we're putting
I'm different, Elizabeth. I know yours.
Yeah, mine only goes for 5 minutes, and then lower the temperature, and then cook them at that lower temperature.
And now we wait impatiently, I think.
Yeah, I think so.
Oh, you gotta turn your temperature down.
Okay, I gotta turn
350,
it
I think.
down
Or maybe
to
it's 325.
350.
Okay. I think all should have made muffins because Elizabeth's gonna have her muffins first, and I'm gonna be jealous.
Muffins in like 20 minutes.
What were we thinking?
I have a hard time when I do bread, like banana bread. I'm so impatient. It drives me nuts to have to wait so long to get my bread. And I'm being bad and eating my raw ingredients.
Okay, I was just about to ask. I'm like, surely she's not.
Girl, I am. It was only one egg. It was just one egg.
Oh no!
I mean, it was only just a little bit of batter in here.
Oh no!
It's fine.
Very low risk.
It's fine. My whole life, my immune system's built up to it. I'm good.
No!
3 more minutes.
All for you.
14 more minutes for me.
Yeah, I can smell it though. Can anybody else start to smell it?
Yeah, it smells good.
Oh.
It's starting to rise a little bit.
See if you can see my creation.
Oh yeah, we can see yours because you have the glass pan. Mine's metal. You can't see through it.
Oh, yeah.
It needs to be cleaned though.
Open the oven. You're letting all the heat out.
It'll be okay.
Yeah, don't open it.
Doesn't matter if it's doughy in the middle, I'm still gonna eat it.
Cards are done.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, you're showing off now.
And it's just perfect. It came out with like 2 little crumbs on the toothpick, which is fine.
Perfect. So now we need video of Elizabeth eating some muffins.
Of a molten muffin, I think she should let it cool.
Yeah, no, wait, don't burn yourself, but.
Let me get out my cooling rack.
Do I have I guess I have a cooling rack.
Yes, I said.
I don't know what I'm doing. We still have what, like half an hour?
that?
Is that gonna work? Is that working faster for you, Elizabeth?
I know, cool and faster. They're almost all the same size. I got one that's too small.
They looked pretty good, yeah, when you showed them. Oh, I can really smell them now. Oh.
Look at that bottom.
Ooh, and it popped right out.
Should have made the muffins. Yeah, we should have made the muffins.
Yeah, muffins would have been much better. And I thought of that. I was like, oh, nobody else is gonna do muffins, so I'll just, you know, do whatever. We agreed on bread. I'm gonna do bread.
Oh, look at this brown sugar. Look what it's on the bottom.
It's like caramelized.
You're like, yeah. Oh, that's mine. My daughter's been stalking me the whole time. She's standing here waiting because she knows in the end there's muffins for her. When I told her I was making zucchini muffins, she got very excited. I'm gonna make some tea to go with mine. Tea and muffins.
Ooh, what kind of tea? Okay,
I got vanilla.
Ooh.
Vanilla, and I got Darjeeling.
Ooh.
I like the pretty tin because that's who I am as a person.
I know, I love their tins.
I have tea, Earl Grey, hot.
Stop it.
I got some look at it. Vanilla. I'll get my compliments.
It's rising pretty well.
I was just double checking it wasn't browning too fast and I didn't need to put aluminum foil over the top.
Okay.
Which, viewer, is something that the recipe suggests. If it's browning too tough, you can put aluminum foil over it.
What? How much longer did you put yours on for?
I did 15 because that'll take us up to the 45 minutes, which is the lower range that that Sally gave. So it might need up to an additional 10 minutes after that, but. Oh, with butter.
I'm having vanilla tea in my sloth.
Aw.
That's really good. Oh yeah, that goes good together.
It's all puffy.
He's muffin up. We could have been eating muffins by now.
I know.
That's not like it.
About
Look at all the zucchini in that piece. Yep.
It's basically health food, right?
Yes!
Okay.
It's a vegetable.
It's green. Look at it.
Yeah.
Which did they get real? I mean, they look like they got nice and puffy. So did it work? Because she said that you do the high heat,
did.
They rise really tall, and then you lower it so they don't burn.
Yeah, they were rising good. I mean, they're good. Yeah. I think
It looks like a bakery muffin.
and it's consistently cooked. It's not like you get that crunchy, like you can feel it's a little clear on top, but it's not like that hard crunchy bit you get a lot of times when it cracks and you get that at the top. Don't do that.
Yeah, just tell us all about how delicious the muffins taste. Just rub it in.
I will.
All right. I'm gonna poke my bread.
Fine. I do not need to poke mine. I just sort of touch the top and it is not done yet.
That's pretty good, Emma.
Mine seems like it's almost done, but it's got a little bit of wetness in the middle.
Yeah.
Ugh.
Mostly clean with 0 raw batter. Although that seems to scare you guys less than it does me.
Rocky did it. He ate raw eggs.
So did Gaston, but he was the villain, so.
But look at him, Emma.
It's working for him.
Confident people eat raw eggs, I guess.
The idea of 5 dozen eggs every day is, I've never had 5 dozen eggs in my possession at one time.
The ladies down the street must be providing him with lots of eggs. They must have like 20 chickens each.
The silly girls just line up and they just give him.
They just go get the eggs. I need 6 eggs.
For Gaston, yeah.
Them all.
He's got 10 friends who buy 6 eggs each every.
Gaston has taken all the eggs. That's why that guy can't find 6 eggs.
Yeah. That's why he says it the way he does, too. You know, I need 6 eggs.
Is your top getting crunchy or tough on the top?
Yeah, but busted open in the middle and the inside is just molten lava.
So you might want to loosely cover like this
Yeah, the tinfoil.
tinfoil on that, or else it's going to burn at the top to
Done.
get your
Okay.
like,
All right.
It's
So,
not cracked pretty like yours did.
It's good though.
It's not coming out. Oh no!
Don't do it tight. Just tent it.
okay.
Oh, this is not good. Oh, there it is. Oh no! Oh no, guys!
Oh no!
Oh no!
Oh no!
You're gonna have to scrape all that stuff up and eat it.
Yep, that's what I get to do now. That was a lot of chocolate, though.
Yeah.
I put it in the cup like she said. Oh no, I greased it, I swear. I ran butter all around that bad boy. People at home are gonna watch this and be like, she's doing it wrong.
That's fine. Post in the comments. Tell us what we did wrong. What would you do differently? Would you be really great at baking? Bake along and show us your perfect bread.
Well, we do want them to show us their bread after.
Absolutely.
Show us your perfect bread and show us your imperfect bread, please.
Yeah, I did this on
bread.
purpose, so it's not anybody make anybody feel bad. Oh, it's really hot, but I'm eating it anyway. Oh.
Phyllis.
Okay. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Can we give a shout out to our fabulous tech person, Sarah, right now? I apologize for the fact that she didn't get to bake along with us. She just has to watch us eat it.
All right. How are we doing?
How's yours look, Elisa?
Good.
I think it's done.
Yay!
I'm happy.
Looks.
All right. This is.
Try letting yours sit, Elisa, for like 5 minutes.
Because I'm like, grease it, but I'm not sure it's gonna come out.
I know.
Not sure it's gonna come out very smoothly.
My pan is very buttered, for sure.
Okay. Well, yeah, sure. Just make me feel worse about it, Shannon.
No, I'm saying it's very buttered. It's still not coming out, but it's slipping around in my hands. Come on, you can do it. Great. And the bottom fell off.
Hey, I'm not alone.
There you go. Proof.
Sorry for your loss, Shannon, but I feel a little vindicated.
I'm happy to help.
Muffins. Muffins is where it's at.
Oh no, at least you two. I cannot recommend highly enough eating it out of the bottom.
That's what I'm about to do.
Oh my god, so good. The pan is still very hot.
Well, I'm going to tell you, when the bottom comes off, it cools faster. And there's only half of it to cool.
All right. So I think we definitely had a successful baking show, whatever this is.
No.
Whatever this is, what you call it. I don't-
That's what it is. It was a learning experience.
That was fun.
Yeah.
It was.
It was.
Yeah.
Looking forward to the next time.